Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best small fireplace is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your home. These compact marvels bring warmth and a captivating ambience, instantly elevating any room. Whether you're aiming to create a cozy retreat for chilly evenings or simply desire a stylish design element, the versatility of a small fireplace makes it an excellent choice for any living space. Number 5. DURAFLAME Bronze Electric Fireplace Stove Heater. This stove heater features side viewing windows, a glass door, and a brick-style back panel. It delivers infrared heat for rooms up to 1,000 square feet. You can easily move it to any room. Supplemental heating is a great way to provide comfort without heating the whole house. You can save money on your energy bill by lowering the thermostat and using it where you need it. Enjoy the cozy cabin vibes with the realistic flame effect. The glowing logs and soothing flames help you unwind. You can also turn down the brightness for a perfect nightlight. With independent flame and heat controls, you can enjoy the cozy glow even when the heat is off. It provides a beautiful ambience in every season. It has an adjustable thermostat and flame dial. This allows you to customize the fire to your ideal look and temperature. What we like. This fireplace boasts a charming design with side viewing windows and a realistic flame effect. It also offers independent flame and heat controls, allowing you to enjoy the ambience year-round. If you are looking for a fireplace that combines aesthetics with functionality and the ability to save on energy costs, this is a great choice. What people say. The flame is nicely realistic. This runs LEDs for realistic flames display. It has a nice sheet metal body, which is powder-coated. Number 4. Dimplex Fieldstone Electric Fireplace with Mantel Surround. Introducing the Dimplex Fieldstone Electric Fireplace. This fireplace features an elegant natural stone finish and wooden accents. It's perfect for cabins, cottages, and modern homes. The Fieldstone Electric Fireplace has a 5,118 BTU heater. This provides supplemental heat for rooms up to 1,000 square feet. You can heat the rooms you care about most. Enjoy the visual pleasure of a natural wood-burning fire without the mess. The 28-inch firebox uses patented inner glow logs and luminous embers to create an incredibly realistic flame effect. It also has red and blue ember lighting options. The included remote control offers you easy heat and flame control from virtually anywhere in the room. You can operate this unit with or without heat and enjoy the ambience of a wood-burning fireplace year-round. The Fieldstone measures 12.9 x 54.6 inch w x 42.6 h. It will look great on virtually any wall and with any home decor. This fireplace is a perfect addition to your home. What we like. This fireplace features a premium rustic appeal with a natural stone finish, perfect for cabins or modern homes. It offers zone heating, providing supplemental heat for rooms up to 1,000 square feet. If you appreciate the look of a traditional fireplace with the convenience of modern technology and remote control, you should consider this one. What people say. Was easily put together, wearing protective gloves, in about 90 minutes. The faux stones and wood mantel is perfect for the mountain lodge look we were going for. The stone appears natural, the mantel is real wood and looks great, the fire puts out heat nicely and I love the flames. Number 3. LifePlus Mini Tabletop Fireplace Heater 1500W. This mini fireplace offers a real fire log burning effect, creating a relaxing ambience. You can choose between heating or just the flame effect. Enjoy the cozy flames all year round. This tabletop fireplace is lightweight and portable, perfect for any space. Its wooden frame and fire log effect give it a retro feel. It's great for enjoying a cup of coffee while watching the dancing flames. With 1500 W of power, this heater warms small spaces quickly. It's elegant for entertaining guests, relaxing in your study, or warming up your motorhome. It provides comfortable heating wherever you need it. The overheating protection automatically shuts it off to prevent fire hazards. The cabinet is cool to the touch, making it safe for kids and pets. The product has passed all safety tests. This tabletop fireplace is built for long-lasting use and is easy to operate without installation. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us for returns or replacements. We are here to help you. What we like. This mini fireplace offers a realistic flame effect and a compact, retro design, perfect for small spaces. It also includes overheating protection for safety. If you like the cozy feeling of a fireplace but have limited space, or if you want a safe and stylish addition to your study or bedroom, this is a great option. What people say. This mini fireplace heats the room quick and it looks like a realistic fire. You can also run the fire without the heat. Gives off great heat and is beautiful and functional too. It puts out a lot of heat and warms the room nicely. I love that I can have the fireplace on with or without the heater. Number 2. Ameriwood Home Lamont 69 Electric Fireplace. Introducing the Ameriwood Home Lamont Electric Fireplace. It offers a beautiful fireplace effect without the hassle of traditional maintenance. This unit is perfect for adding warmth and style to your living room or bedroom. This fireplace is crafted from laminated MDF and particle board. The clean white finish is beautifully accented by a dark gray marble effect around the electric fireplace insert. It's a stylish addition to any space. The UltraFlame electric heater provides a warm and secure environment. It's eco-friendly and produces no carbon monoxide. This heater can effectively warm rooms up to 400 square feet. Enjoy the realistic logs and flame effect, powered by long-lasting ultra-bright LED technology. You can use the lighting and flame effects with or without heat. Control the settings with the remote or the front panel. This 3-tiered fireplace features 2 bookcases with 3 shelves each. It's perfect for displaying your books and memorabilia. The mantel also includes a wall anchor kit for added safety. The fireplace ships flat and requires assembly by 2 adults. Each shelf can hold up to 15 pounds. Remember, it's not designed to support a TV. The assembled dimensions are 44.7 x 69.3 w x 12.6 d. What we like. This fireplace comes with a mantel and shelves, offering both heating and display space. It features an eco-friendly heater and realistic log and flame effects. If you are looking for a fireplace that also provides storage and enhances your living room decor, this is a great choice. What people say. Built-in heater and fan. Realistic looking fire wood. It almost looks 3D in person. Super cool feature. Dimmable light. Number 1. TURBRO Suburbs TS17 Electric Fireplace Stove. Imagine relaxing by the fireplace on a cold winter evening. This electric stove provides efficient heat, offering a cozy atmosphere with its 4,777 BTU output. Create a captivating fireside ambience without the hassle of a real fire. The flame effects can be enjoyed independently of the heat, allowing you to set the perfect mood. Safety is a priority. The heating element is positioned to keep the stove's exterior cool to the touch, ensuring safety even after extended use. Using this heater is incredibly easy. Just flip the switch, adjust the temperature, and enjoy the warmth within seconds. This product is designed with your safety in mind. It includes overheating protection that automatically shuts it off if it gets too hot. It's also CSA certified for safe use. What we like. This compact electric fireplace stove offers a realistic flame effect and is safe to touch. The flame effects can be turned on separately from the heat to set the mood. If you want a safe and easy-to-use fireplace for small spaces, this is a great option. What people say. It heated our great room in 15 minutes. It does look good, has a nice simulated fire and even has crackling noises, so all in all, it was worth it. I have a large bedroom and it heats the entire headroom, and into the hallway, makes my central heat not run much or at all when I use it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.